Hello. Becoming an independent director is a unique and highly rewarding career path. Let's talk about how you can secure a lucrative position in as little as 6 to 12 months. Let's jump straight to the numbers. As an independent director, the financial rewards can be immense. According to 2023 data, the median remuneration for independent directors at Nifty 50 companies has more than doubled over the past 5 years. In financial year 23, median earnings rose to 72 lakh INR, up from 36 lakhs INR in financial year 18. At the 75th percentile, the top earners are making 1.04 crore per year in INR. And it's not just at the top level. Independent directors at entry level can expect to earn between INR 50,000 to INR 1 lakh per meeting, making it a highly attractive part time career. With companies seeking ethical, skilled, and diverse board members, these numbers are set to increase further in 2024. Now, let me give you a realistic earnings calculation for entry level independent directors. It is common for directors to charge 50,000 to 1 lakh per meeting. Most boards meet 4 times a year, and independent directors are also required to attend committee meetings, such as those for audit, nomination, or remuneration. These committees meet at least twice a year, and there's also an annual exclusive meeting for independent directors. Let's assume you charge 50,000 per meeting, and there are 9 meetings per company per year: 4 board meetings, 4 committee meetings, and 1 independent directors meeting. That amounts to 4.5 lakh per company annually. If you serve as an independent director for 5 companies, you could be earning 22.5 lakhs per year. That's almost 2 lakhs per month for a part time role, where you primarily attend meetings and contribute your expertise. In fact, many directors find that companies often call more frequent meetings in high growth industries or to address specific challenges, meaning that the earnings can even be higher. 2024 has been a remarkable year for independent directors. Recent reports from Economic Times and Ambition Box show that top independent directors are now earning between 1.2 lakh and 98 lakh per year, with an average salary of INR 32 lakhs. With India's economic growth and corporate governance requirements, this number is expected to increase even further. In financial year 22, the number of independent directors in the INR 1 crore plus earning club increased to 135, up from 105 in financial year 19. This shows that companies are willing to pay premium compensation for directors who can guide them through critical areas such as ESG, corporate governance, and risk management. India's Inc. is experiencing rapid growth, and companies are looking for independent directors who bring experience in areas such as technology, transformation, sustainability, and financial oversight. This makes 2024 a perfect year to position yourself as a board appointment. In financial year 17, some of the highest earning independent directors were taking home impressive compensations. For instance, OP Bhatt earned 3.39 crore INR in 1 year attending board meetings for major companies such as Hindustan Unilever, Tata Consultancy Services, and Tata Steel. Other prominent earners include Aman Mehta with INR 3.19 crore and Naresh Chandra at 2.88 crore. These numbers are no longer outliers. In 2024, this trend is continuing, and independent directors in top tier companies are earning even higher amounts as their roles expand beyond regulatory requirements into strategic areas like corporate transformation and global expansion. Of course, it's not just about the money. Being an independent director also comes with prestige, recognition, and influence. You will have the chance to sit alongside top executives and key decision makers influencing the future of India's most important companies. As an independent director, your voice is essential in shaping the company's direction, ensuring ethical standards, and driving long term success. This role can also lead to public recognition. Many independent directors are invited to speak at conferences, feature in media, and take part in government advisory roles. This prestige can significantly boost your personal brand and open new doors for both professional and personal opportunities. As an independent director, you'll be responsible for ensuring the company operates with transparency and integrity. You will attend board meetings to provide objective insights, review financial statements, and help manage corporate risks. More than just a regulatory obligation, you will serve on key committees like the Audit Committee, Nomination Committee, and Remuneration Committee, making decisions that shape the company's growth, strategy, and financial performance. It's a powerful role where you will be guiding companies on compliance, sustainability, and risk management while contributing to their success. This is just the start. After a few years of experience, you can increase your fee as you build a track record. Experienced independent directors often charge 1 to 2 lakh per meeting, especially when they join boards of top tier companies. Some directors earn 50 lakhs to 1 crore per year by serving on multiple boards. As more companies seek your expertise, you can choose appointments that offer even higher compensation. In 2024, we've seen companies expanding globally, investing in digital transformation, and pushing for sustainability initiatives. Independent directors with expertise in these areas are earning premium fees because of the value they bring. One of the greatest benefits of becoming an independent director is the flexibility. This role can be a side gig, allowing you to continue your full time career while taking on board responsibilities. You will attend a few meetings per year, offer guidance and expertise, and still have the freedom to pursue other professional interests. It's a part time role that comes with high earning potential and the ability to balance it alongside other commitments. So, how do you get started? The journey to becoming an independent director doesn't have to take long. With the right guidance and preparation, you could secure your first board appointment in 6 to 12 months. Join our free 3-day live boot camp to learn everything you need to know. We'll cover the roadmap to becoming an independent director, how to pass the proficiency test, and how to network with the right people to land board appointments. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to start earning INR 2 lakhs or more per month as an independent director. This is a live boot camp with no recordings available, so make sure you register yourself.